Hey! Hey, you! Yeah, you! Are you tired of reading books alone? Are you sick of books that don't have anything meaningful to say? Are you frustrated by not having anywhere to have interesting conversations about technical topics? Well, then do I have a surprise for you. Throw away your book and come with me. We won't be needing this where we're going. Instead, we're going to be working through a really interesting book called 7 Languages in 7 Weeks. I'm excited to announce our guest host, Bash Bunny, and our 2 special guests for this quarter, Beganbot and Leon. Throughout this quarter, we're going to be working through this book to give you a broad technical overview that's project-based about 7 different languages that each have fundamental and unique differences. This should be able to complement your skills and knowledge as a programmer and give you a real chance to try and build something in each of these languages that might expand your horizon of what you think is possible with code. Maybe you've only had experience with JavaScript and you're looking to learn more about what's out there, or perhaps you've primarily worked with low-level languages and you want to see what do things like functional programming have to offer. Whatever your goal is for learning more about languages, we're going to hopefully be able to facilitate this with our online book club. The plan is pretty simple. We'll release the schedule and what chapters we plan to have read before each meeting. Then we'll live stream on my Twitch the discussion between our panel of programmers. While we're streaming, we'll be able to live answer and field some questions from the chat, find out what you liked and didn't like, and hopefully you can hear a wide range of opinions from us. Throughout this time, we're hoping to dive deep into these topics and learn completely new things to lots of us. However, the book club isn't only limited to technical content. In the second quarter of the year, we hope to read something that's a bit more soft skills focused. I've been told that's something programmers could sometimes work on. We'll probably read a book like How to Win Friends and Influence People. In the third quarter of this year, we'll go back to a technical topic and do a deep dive on just one thing, perhaps domain-driven design, so that we can learn more about different software engineering patterns. And for the final quarter of the year, we hope to be able to read a work of fiction that relates and makes you think more deeply about broad and philosophical technical topics, like what does AI look like in the future, or what kind of things should we program into our technology to make sure that it serves us instead of us serving it. We'll be meeting every other Friday live on my Twitch. In the description of this video, there's a Discord link where you'll be able to join to keep up to date, submit questions, and interact with us more throughout while we're reading, and perhaps even other special events as we go forward and do more ideas and interesting things. But the last super exciting piece of information for those of you who are watching it this week is that for our very first book club meeting, we'll have Bruce Tate, the author of 7 Languages in 7 Weeks, come to talk to us and give us an introduction on the book, his thoughts, and maybe things that he's learned or thought of since writing the book. So I'm really looking forward to that and really excited to be able to share that. So that will be live on Twitch this Friday at noon Eastern, 5 p.m. UTC, and I really hope you're able to attend and come learn with us. So once again, I'll encourage you to join the Discord, ask questions there, get involved, and start helping us build a really interesting and exciting community built around learning a wide variety and diverse set of ideas that can hopefully improve you, not just technically as a developer, but improve your whole career and outlook on software dev. I'm really excited, and I hope you are too. I hope to see you this Friday. Thanks, everybody. Oh, and I'd also just like to mention, if you're interested in sponsoring the book club in some particular way and you'd like to get your name and brand out in front of a lot of different software developers, reach out to me directly on Twitter. We're currently considering several different offers, but would love to hear from you and what you think uniquely you can bring to the table and be a partner with us in this book club experience. But with that, I'm signing off, and I hope to see everybody Friday. Bye, everybody.